Have you ever wondered about the odd and eerie life of the Tasmanian devil, that peculiar creature from the wilds of Tasmania? These marsupials are no ordinary animals. They dwell in the enchanting yet harsh terrains of Tasmania, leading lives full of peculiarities and mysteries. From their hair-raising screeches to their ferocious eating habits, Tasmanian devils weave a web of fascination around those who dare to delve into their world. Prepare yourself for a journey into the life of these intriguing creatures. Every Tasmanian devil's journey starts in an unusual way. Born blind, hairless and roughly the size of a grain of rice, these tiny marsupials begin life in a race against their siblings. You see, a mother Tasmanian devil typically gives birth to about 30 young, known as imps, but she only has 4 teats to nourish them. This results in a fierce competition for survival from the very beginning. As the imps grow, they remain in their mother's pouch for around 4 months, gradually developing their senses and abilities. However, life outside the pouch is no less challenging. The young devils must quickly learn to fend for themselves, hunting insects, birds and other small creatures. They face threats from predators, disease and even from their own kind. Survival in the early days of a Tasmanian devil is indeed a game of strength and speed. It's a harsh world out there for these little devils, but they are born fighters, ready to take on whatever comes their way. As adults, Tasmanian devils lead a solitary and nocturnal life. These creatures are not the social butterflies of the animal kingdom, far from it. They prefer their own company, venturing out alone under the cloak of darkness in search of food. Their diet is primarily carnivorous, feasting on a variety of small mammals, birds, fish and insects. They are also nature's cleanup crew, leading a scavenger lifestyle and consuming the carcasses of dead animals, leaving virtually nothing to waste. Their feeding habits are quite unique. Unlike many other carnivores, Tasmanian devils don't kill for sport. They eat to survive, consuming every part of their prey, bones, fur and all. It's a survival strategy that has served them well in the harsh landscapes of Tasmania. When it comes to breeding, these devils are fiercely competitive. Males battle for the right to mate, often resulting in loud, aggressive confrontations. And don't let their small size fool you. These confrontations can be quite intense. And then there's the screech, a horrifying, bone-chilling sound that can be heard echoing through the night. It's their way of communicating, a unique behavior that has earned them their devilish name. The adult life of a Tasmanian devil is not for the faint of heart. It's a life of solitude, survival, and the constant quest for food. In the dark of the night, the Tasmanian devil thrives, a solitary figure in the wild. Yet, the life of the Tasmanian devil is not without its threats. These intriguing creatures face significant challenges, most notably from a transmissible facial tumor disease. This deadly disease, unique in its ability to spread through contact, has led to a drastic reduction in their population over the past 2 decades. Habitat loss too poses a grave threat. As humans encroach more and more on their homes, these devils are finding themselves with less space to roam, hunt and breed. But hope is not lost. Conservationists are working tirelessly to protect and preserve this unique species. Breeding programs are being established to ensure genetic diversity, while habitat restoration projects aim to provide the devils with a safe and secure home. Moreover, research into a vaccine for the facial tumor disease is underway, offering a glimmer of hope in the fight against this deadly disease. The fight for survival continues for the Tasmanian devils, both in the wild and in the hands of conservationists. So our journey into the life of the Tasmanian devil comes to an end, but the story continues. We've traversed the intriguing life of these devils from down under, from their birth and early life, teeming with challenges, to their unique characteristics and behaviors that set them apart in the wild. We've delved into their adult life, understanding their nocturnal and solitary nature, their scavenging habits, and their fascinating, if somewhat eerie, vocalizations. We've acknowledged the threats they face, from disease to human interference, and the impact these have on their survival. Yet amid these challenges, we've also highlighted the ongoing conservation efforts. The dedication of scientists, conservationists, and individuals alike, working tirelessly to ensure that the eerie cry of the Tasmanian devil continues to echo through the Tasmanian wilderness. As we bid farewell to these intriguing creatures, remember, the eerie life of the Tasmanian devil is a testament to the wonders of the wild. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of our world.